2017 INFINITI QX30. The INFINITI QX30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, navigation package, panoramic moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, security system, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, leather seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.